So the hardest part of learning the quadratic formula is just getting it learned. Working a problem with quadratic formula is easy. You literally just fill numbers in for A, B, and C in this formula, and you get the answer. That's all it is. Fill numbers in a formula, and you get an answer. So let me show you how nice it is. Suppose we were to solve this lovely quadratic. 5x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Nice little quadratic. Okay. It won't factor. I'll tell you that right now. You couldn't factor it if you wanted to. You can't get the numbers to work. So if you want to solve it with the quadratic formula, the key thing is realize the line is under everything on top. Some people leave that negative b and they don't put the line under it. The line goes under the negative b. Okay, what do they mean when they say put a negative b? I mean, switch the sign. Whatever your b number is, switch it. Okay, I need to double check. We all know a is on the x squared, b is on x, and c is the constant. Yeah. Has to be in that order. Okay, so when I say negative b, switch the sign. What's negative of negative 7? So that would become positive 7. Just switch your sign. Plus or minus square root of b is 7 squared. Okay, yes, you can write 49. That's fine. 4 times, what's a? A is the 5, and c is 3. All over 2 times the a, which is 5. All you need to do is go back and simplify the numbers, and you have the answer. So you would have 7 plus or minus. I recommend, if I was you, I would put in my calculator 7 squared minus 4 times 5 times 3. Put all that in at once and get that in one number. That's going to be 49 minus 60. Yeah. That's going to be negative 11. If I see less errors, if you just crunch the number once. All over what? 10. Okay, is that a simplified answer? Am I good? I can call it quits right there. What? I can't have the negative in there. Can I break down 11? No. Nope. So my solution would just be 7 plus or minus I times the square root of 11 all over 10. That's 2 answers. They're ugly answers, but the quadratic formula finds any answer good or bad. It'll work every single problem. We use it all the time. Don't forget it. Okay, now one word of caution, if you're checking your answers in the back of the book. I don't like to do this, but the book will split it up as 7/10 plus or minus I squared 11 over 10. I really don't care for it written as 2 separate items. So I am perfectly fine if you leave it all in one fraction. But they split up their answers in 2 pieces, so in case that bugs you. I would prefer you not to do it that way for issues that come up later. So, the quadratic formula, I expect you all to be singing for days. If I see you in the hallway in the next 2 days, I'll stick my pre-calc and calc people on you and tell them to make you sing.